This is Betsy Cummins from Technology Class 7477 at University of West Georgia. I'm talking today about Powtoon.com. This is a web-based animated presentation and short video tool. It's only been around a short period of time and only released its first beta version in July of 2012. But since that time, it says its subscription base has increased tremendously. It contains themes of animated characters, is considered user-friendly, intuitive, and has a countless amounts of styles and images. It does have a free version available, and by logging in, you must provide your email address and password, but you can get a free account and make presentations without any charge. It works very much like a PowerPoint, and by giving it a title and a short description, you're ready to begin. It does take a moment to download on the computer. The free version allows you to send and do as many as you want. It will have this branding on it. The only way you can get rid of that is by buying a subscription where it will no longer have that available. You work very much like PowerPoint, where you work screen by screen and you have the availability of adding them on, but each screen is individual and you have this timeline across the bottom. So what you're doing is importing pieces from over on the right with a variety of topics to choose from. If you come over here, you'll notice that the different styles give you different options to choose from. There's text and how your words come in. There's clip art type things, a lot of characters to choose from, and if I open that, you can see how many more characters there are. Props, markers, and each style up here has its own type of characters. For instance, in this, I can put and add a character and make the design. Each item that I put on the screen will show down here on the timeline, and it's set at a default of 10 seconds per screen, but you can change increase or decrease how long each screen is shown. And then this area, this blue that comes on the timeline, is for this item that is in the text box right now. It tells at what time it will come on the screen and how long it will stay on the screen. These boxes at the end of the timeline are for its entering and exiting and what kind of transition and how it appears on the screen. So as I move through, I can decide that this picture will come on at 1 second, and if I click to this one, it is currently set to come on at 2 seconds. It's going to come in from the right and will stay for the whole side of the screen. If I wanted text, it too will come on as a text box, and I can double click to edit it and determine when it comes on the screen. I want it to come on at 2 seconds also, the same as this character, and will stay for the full 10 seconds. As you're doing things, you can check and have it play for you, and this is the button that it plays from where we were, or I can go back to the beginning and see how the screen is going to run. Quite easy to use with the timeline, as long as you're determining that each screen is sort of its own show and how things come together. Did take me a while to play, very much the top bar like a Windows bar with all of your commands and your ability to change things. It is obviously a work in progress, and there can be some changes and improvements as it comes along, but I think it's a fun presentation tool, easy to get since it's on the internet and it's available to everyone. I think kids in a classroom or a media center, this could be used as an orientation tool. It could be used as an introduction of projects, and I think kids would get a great kick out of having things introduced in this manner. I hope you give Powtoons a try. I think you'd have a lot of fun with it. Thank you.